আমাকে ধরিয়ে দিয়ে চলে গেল। আমার দিল কবাতে তিন দরজা রে, আমার দিল কবাতে তিন দরজা রে, আমার কালে বেজায় জানো, আমার কালে বেজায় জানো, মুর্শিদের কাছে খুঁজো ঠিকানা, মুর্শিদের কাছে খুঁজো ঠিকানা। আমার দিল কবাতে, আমার দিল কবাতে তিন দরজা রে, আমার কালে বেজায় জানো, আমার কালে বেজায় জানো, মুর্শিদের কাছে খুঁজো ঠিকানা, মুর্শিদের কাছে খুঁজো ঠিকানা। আহে হুয়ের ধ্বনি আল্লাহ আদম নবী হরেক জোনা, আহে হুয়ের ধ্বনি আল্লাহ আদম নবী হরেক জোনা, তারা তিনজন এক যোগে চলে রে, তারা তিনজন এক যোগে চলে রে, আছে এক রূপে তিনজন, আছে এক রূপে তিনজন, আছে খুঁজো ঠিকানা, মুর্শিদের কাছে খুঁজো ঠিকানা। মনসুর ভাল্লা প্রমাণ করে, মনসুর ভাল্লা প্রমাণ করে, শুলে চড়েও মুখের হাসি যায় না, মনসুর ভাল্লা প্রমাণ করে, তার শুলে চড়েও মুখের হাসি যায় না। ওরে আল্লাহ আমার সঙ্গে রইছে রে, ওরে আল্লাহ আমার সঙ্গে রইছে রে, আমার একা কসুর হয় না, আমার একা কসুর হয় না, মুর্শিদের কাছে খুঁজো ঠিকানা, ওরে মুর্শিদের কাছে খুঁজো ঠিকানা। আমার দিল কাবাকে, দিল কাবাকে তিন দরজা রে, আমার কালে হবে। ভিডিওগুলি তুলে আমাকে হেল্প করেছে গঙ্গোত্রী। শনিবার 11ই মে, এখন দুপুর 1টা, শুরু হয়ে গেছে বৃষ্টি এবং ঝড়, কালবৈশাখীর একটা স্ট্রিক সেটা কন্টিনিউ করছে। একদিকে আমার জন্য ভালো, আমার জন্য ভালো এই সেন্সে, কারণ আমি গরম সহ্য করতে পারি না, গরমে খুবই কষ্ট পাই, বাদ বাকি ওয়েদারগুলোতে আমি যথেষ্ট চাঙা থাকি, এই কারণে ভালো। তো ভিজবো, এখানে আবার একটু বৃষ্টি হলে জল দাঁড়িয়ে যায় রাস্তায়, দেখা যাক কী দাঁড়াচ্ছে এখানে। প্রচণ্ড বৃষ্টি চলছে, সকাল থেকে, সকালে একটু রোদ ছিল না এমন না, এখন দেখে মনে হচ্ছে যা মেঘ রয়েছে, বিকেল গড়িয়ে রাত্রি অবধি বৃষ্টি চলবে। আমার অনেক পেন্ডিং কাজ পড়ে আছে, সেগুলো ধরে নিচ্ছি। এখন বিকেল, যদিও ওই বৃষ্টিটা আর কন্টিনিউ হয়নি, কিন্তু আকাশ এখনও গুরুম 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 করছে, এবং মেঘ পুরো থমথমে একটা থম মেরে আছে। আমার মন মধ্যে একটা চুম করে মারবে, লাইক ছিটকে দেওয়া বৃষ্টি হবে। শনি বিকেলবেলা, শনিবারের বারবেলা, ঈশ্বর আজ আর ভুলেও বিকেলে বেরোবো না। ইনফ্যাক্ট আমি সামনের কিছুদিন একদমই বেরোবো না, আমার মাইন্ড খুব ঠিকঠাক জায়গায় নেই, আমি এটুকুনি বলতে পারি। ঝড়ো ঝড়ো বৃষ্টি চলছে, বিদ্যুৎ চমকাচ্ছে, আকাশ একটা অমনিয়াস থমথমে ভাবে আটকাচ্ছে। কিন্তু খুব জোর বৃষ্টি নয়, টিপির 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 হচ্ছে। আমার মনটা ভালো লাগছে না। এটা হচ্ছে, এটা কিছু বলার নেই। আমার লাস্ট কিছুদিন যাবৎ আমার মন ভালো নেই। টিপ টিপ হচ্ছে কপাল ভালো, মুষলধারে হচ্ছে না। এখন সন্ধ্যে 6টা, 6:30টার আশপাশ। আমি আজকে সারাদিন কিছু খাওয়া দাওয়া করিনি, এবার কিছু একটু মুখে দিতে হবে। বড় ঘাঁক ঘাঁক করে বাজছে। ওই যে যেদিনকে পাতুরি হলো, এর আগেরটা, হ্যাঁ। এখানে রয়েছে পোলাও, কি চাল করে, বাসমতি, হচ্ছে মাটন ডাক বাংলো, তার সাথে দুটো ফিশ ফিঙ্গারের। এটা হচ্ছে প্ল্যাটারটা, রবিবারের আজকের স্পেশাল প্ল্যাটার হোলায়, রবিবার 12ই মে। এটা মাঝে মাঝে ভালো মন্দ খেতে হয়।
कट जाएगा तो हम फिर जोड़ देंगे। ठीक ठीक है, भाड़ा नहीं मिल रहा है क्या? मिनट खत्म हो गया।
Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. You may turn off your video screen. That's not a problem.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Just to inform you, your interview will be recorded for primary purposes and will be deleted after 3-4 days.
Okay.
Okay. So our MD was here, but for some other reason he has to leave. So I will continue your interview. So I have a very simple question first. That kindly introduce yourself and please clarify why you would like to join Green Waves.
Okay. Thank you for choosing me as an intern. My name is Choyan Acharya. I am a student, former student of Jadavpur University. I have done a master's degree in film studies from Jadavpur University, and after that, I was for 11 months. I was an employee slash student of Hochschule Bonn-Rhein-Sieg, that is in Germany, Bonn city. But due to physical illness, I'm back to India. I'm still under treatment, but I sincerely want to work for an environmental cause in a institution which has worked on these issues dedicatedly. So that is the reason I want to work for Green Waves. Especially, this is the reason. And previous.
Okay, that's good. So since you have some good experience and especially some experience in outside India, so what is your take on the waste management system in Germany? I mean, the wherever you have roamed around or where you were located, and what you see in this city.
Okay.
What is your take? What is your what is there anything that we can learn from their system, or is there anything they can learn from our system?
Definitely, we can learn something from them, and definitely they can learn something from us. It is both way possible, because what I have seen, first of all, I was not familiar with the waste management system in a big city like Cologne or in Bonn, but the small towns are not so small. They have all the facilities there, but they regularly organize uh, electronic waste drives. They do miking with their vans, and people of the town, they uh, stack the carts with their uh, electronic waste products, and they generally donate those things in the cart. And these drives are organized by the municipal corporation there. I was in Evstad and I took part in such a rally. uh, I have some photos also, if you want to see about that drive, that e-waste drive. I took part in it. So
Okay, I understand. So you are saying that their awareness level is higher, right?
some somehow
Comparatively higher.
it is comparatively higher than us, but what I have learned, that mostly these countries, the first world countries, they send their junk to our countries, or countries which are in a low strata
That
of
is that,
income.
that is true, and that is highly geopolitical. But I was talking about the awareness of the citizens.
Yes, citizen
So
awareness is
people,
definitely, the level is higher than
higher.
ours.
Okay. So, do you have any experience in e-waste recycling management or anything related to e-waste? Have you done anything?
I have wrote a book chapter about um, the impact of media on e-waste crisis, like how media is portraying these problems, uh, and it was published already. It was published in CRS Press's um, journal,
So
which
you,
is
you mean CRC Press?
CRC Press.
CRS
Yes, yes,
Press.
yes, CRC. No, no, not
Okay.
CRS. Sorry, CRC Press's journal, and that's it. I don't have any practical experience about these drives, or how these drives actually work. I have some vague idea about urban gold mining, that
Okay.
from these waste products one can extract a minimum amount of gold if they want. That's it.
Okay, that's great.
That is
That's
all.
great. So you also wrote about that you have worked on some songs. Can you tell me something about that?
Pardon me, I didn't get that last part.
You also wrote in your CV that you have worked in some song about e-waste.
Okay, okay,
So
yes,
what is
that's
it
a
about? Can you give me some
that's a yes, yes,
idea?
yes. So, about that song, uh, one of my good friend Bishwajit Devnath from Jadavpur University. He organized some students to perform in a song about e-waste awareness. He wrote the tune, he wrote the lyrics. I gave it a tune, and we recorded it in a studio with some other students from chemical engineering department of Jadavpur University, and I'm actually thankful to them, because that time I was not getting any positive vibes or helps from my own department, but the team from chemical engineering department, they helped me immensely to come back in a creative path. That time I was feeling, actually I was on the verge of clinical depression. They helped me to bounce
Okay.
back again.
So songs does cure depressions. So that is true.
Yes, yes,
Uh,
yes. Music can heal us
Music can heal us.
in a greater
So,
way. It can connect us. It can heal us. I believe it. I believe in the
okay,
power of music.
very good. That's good. So I also see that you have your masters from the Department of Film Studies.
Yes,
So, do you have any plans to make any film on e-waste, or if we ask you to
definitely,
direct a
definitely.
small
We
film on e-waste, can you
Yes,
do it?
yes, I can do it. It can be done about awareness. It can be in form of small commercials, small internet commercials, small reels on Instagram about e-waste. It can be done. It can be done, and I think it will make an impact. Definitely, it will make an
So,
impact.
if we give you an assignment to create say 5 reels, maybe the story is same, but the actors are different. Like we often see that we have the same advertisement of Colgate with 3 different people. So somebody is saying salt, somebody is saying pepper, somebody is saying ginger, etc. So can you create such reels and
Yes,
help
definitely.
us to spread awareness?
Yes, definitely. I can do that. I can do that.
So what? Can you do it with your existing phone camera, or do
I,
you need any support from
um,
us to have
b-
a professional camera?
if a professional camera and some actors are involved with me, I can definitely produce a better result than my own phone
Okay.
camera.
Okay. Arranging actors could be a difficulty, but can you just go ahead and start off with just asking like the Colgate ad? You just go to and ask a random guy, do you know what is e-waste? And
Yeah.
then
That can be
something
done.
like that. You can go to some places where you can find young gatherings. Like you mentioned, you are from the great Jadavpur University, so maybe you can start there, and
Yeah.
it will involve some sort of traveling. So, are you okay with bare minimum traveling or something like that?
Yes. I can definitely do that with a lapel microphone and a good camera. If it's an iPhone, then it's way better. If
Okay.
someone with iPhone can join me, it's
Okay. So,
we can.
can you start off with, if we give you an assignment as a beginning, can you start off with
Yes,
your
definitely.
phone, and you can start off with your phone, and we can have 1, 2, 3 reels, and then based on the response we can go ahead and do some bigger like the 5 minute short film or something like that.
Yes. I can start off. I can write a basic questionnaire, kind of a script, and I can show it. Then we can.
I mean, you are aware of reels, right? I mean, they should finish in
Yes.
a matter of
I'm.
20 to 30 seconds.
Yes,
So you can just have multiple reels with one shot, and you are and can you do the editing as well to
yes.
put,
Definitely, I
like,
can.
because when we will be sharing, we will be doing it with the logo of our company. So putting the logos on and all
Yes,
those stuff. Are
yes.
you ever?
Yes, you can do that.
Okay.
I can do that. Definitely, I can do that. I can make
Okay.
reels about e-waste
Okay.
awareness.
Okay. And you also wrote that you have worked for some other media houses for part time, and
Yes,
you also worked for some German channel as well. What was
yes.
that?
It was Deutsche Welle, and after that, I have tried for a scholarship called Google Scholarship for a newspaper there. They are also expanding themselves in internet
Okay.
platforms. It's called uh, Berliner Morgenpost. Berliner
Okay. So
Morgenpost.
if you get that
Berlin Morning Post, basically.
okay, so if you get that scholarship, then you leave the internship.
Probably not right now. Uh, I am willing to stay here for uh, 2 to 3 years more. I have definitely except my career. There are other works I have to finish them. So I
Okay.
am assuming
I
2 to 3 years. So
Okay, so I understand. So you are just I understand. You are just trying here and there. So you have applied for the scholarship. That's good. So now coming to this, your since you have already done this kind of work, so I hope it won't be a big issue interviewing people regarding this kind of stuff.
no, no, no. I can do that. I can easily do
Okay.
that. I can do it more efficiently if it's the if it is in Bengali language, the colloquial language, the vernacular language. So
Okay. Since we are a national company, so probably we will be going ahead with in English.
for
But yes, since but initially it will be in English, but
what about Hindi?
wherever possible, maybe not Hindi,
Okay,
but since but whatever you will be doing probably will be for I mean like
we can
it
put
will be used primarily subtitles.
subtitles. Yes,
Yes. So wherever necessary, we can do it in Bengali as well. It depends about the whom you are interviewing. So if you are interviewing someone like a very important person, very important personal VIPs, then of course you have to use English. But if you are just interviewing any day by day go or passengers, then you might use Bengali. So we will go ahead with them once we finalize our plans. But
okay.
we'll also ask you to send one of your such works if you have anything in YouTube or any other
Yes,
platform.
definitely. I do have.
Kindly send the link to us so that we can review them before we can go ahead. And last two questions: can you write press releases
Yes,
and summary of say we have some events, so can you cover the events like as a guy who will be getting content and later creating videos and something out of that,
definitely. I can do that.
like shooting like
Yes, yes, yes.
I mean some other people
With the help of some
but
other people,
you can.
yes, definitely I can do that.
No, I know, I understand. It's not possible for one person to record and do all other stuff. You need someone else. So for the basic purpose, not for record keeping, for basic purpose for creating content, you can do that.
Yes, I can do that definitely. So
Oh,
uh,
and the last thing is, we might need you to travel a little bit here and there, uh,
okay,
but it will be very less. But it might require some time to travel, and I hope you are okay with that.
I'm okay with a little bit traveling. I have no
Okay,
problem with traveling. And I have some questions or queries. Can I ask them to you?
sure.
Okay.
Please go ahead.
First of all, what is the name of this designation? I'm working for? Is it media content creator or
So basically, it's you. I'm clearing you out. So basically, the post is called. You are an intern, and it's an internship under this and this company. So it's you will be an intern under Greenwaves Environmental Solutions.
okay, okay,
And the department or the kind of work you will be put in, it will be written on your letter. Okay.
okay,
So
okay,
we are interviewing many people. So and it depends on their skills. So you are skilled in this sector. So of course we will try to fit you in some activities which you are more comfortable with. We will not ask you to do a 1,000-line coding and submit to us. We will not ask that. Okay. So you cannot ask. You cannot ask. Like cannot go to Satyajit Ray and ask him to make a film called Paglu, right? So it's the very same thing. So it's the very same thing. So don't worry about that. And any other question?
and another question is uh, about the remuneration of the remuneration sort of salary
Okay.
type of thing. I think how I am
Okay.
going to.
So I understand your perception or your query. So the basic thing is that usually in India, no company offers paid internship, right?
Yep.
So we are offering you internships, and we are giving an opportunity to you to make it paid. So basically, what will happen? There will be some sort of not remuneration, rather an honorarium that will be
Honorarium,
paid to you
yes.
towards the end of the this. I mean, how long it will depend how long you can carry on with us as an intern. So usually it's like 2 to 3 months. We have interns who work for us
Okay.
usually for 2 to 3 months. So you will get at the end of the term, you will be compensated, and that will be duly decided by the the higher authority. I honestly don't have
Definitely.
any information about that. So, but it will be paid. It will be paid. A handsome amount will be paid. So you can. It's not a job, so you can understand that
Yes.
the pay scale will not be at that of the top, but the kind of work you put in, based on that, you will be compensated.
Okay. That's all. That's all the queries I have. I am
Okay.
willing to start the moment you say.
Okay. So we have a few more interviews going on.
Okay.
So by tomorrow around 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock, we will announce the results.
Okay.
So based on that, we will let you know.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for having my interview and giving me such an opportunity to work for Green Waves. It will be a pleasure for me. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Tiene coi mai. Tiene ya lo cade nai. Sotto tiene gan, tiene ya ti gari ya. পচা বাচ্চা দুষ্টু বাচ্চা সারা রাত খাটের তলা থেকে টি টি করে ডাকে টি টি করে ডাকে তোর ভাই কই আরেকটা কই আরেকটা বিল্লু কই হুম হুম ছোট 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 বিলই ছোট বিলই এই তুতু খোর তুতু খায় ছোট ছোট বাচ্চা ছোট্ট দুধু তো বিলই দুধুখানা বিলই 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 ওইটা সেকেন্ডটা খুব দুষ্টু যেটা দুধ খাচ্ছে সেটা অপেক্ষাকৃত শান্ত সেকেন্ড ওয়ানটা ভীষণ দুষ্টু তুতু কর আছে তুতু? তুতু দিচ্ছে না? তুতু কই? তুতু কই? আয় এদিকে আয়, চলো মিয়াও। দুটো তুতু কর ভাই, ছোট বাচ্চা, ছোট মিয়াও রে দাদা।